Hi guys, this is Miss Patti coming right at you with a little ray of hope. So I've got something I wanted to show you. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope your families are safe and that you're safe. I really miss you guys. I wanted to show you a little something that you might be able to do to pass on a little ray of hope to people. Ready? Come with me. Out my door to my backyard. So I have made these little dogs out of salt dough. They're super easy to make. And after I make them and I decorate them, you can use paint or marker. Then I go and hang them, like I take a walk around my neighborhood and I just hang them up in trees and on fence posts and stuff like that. Whew. And I used a little dog cookie cutter. Thank you, Miss Heather. And this is, let me see if I can get this right. This is the recipe right here. Boom. For salt dough. A cup of flour, a half a cup of salt, a half a cup of water. You roll it out and cut it into shapes. You make a hole for hanging. I used a straw. And then bake it in the oven at 250 degrees for 2 hours. And then you have this cute decoration. You can cut out circles or squares, hearts would be lovely. Super easy thing to spread a little ray of hope around your neighborhood. So that's all I got for you. I hope everyone's doing great. I'll see you next time. Bye.